This is a hot air engine I recently purchased on eBay. It was sold in as-is condition with no claim as to its mechanical condition. I asked the seller twice for some measurements, which I got no response at all. So I was really taking a chance. I had no idea of its size, whether it was large or small. As you can see now, it's a quite large engine. It's 18 inches tall, about 10 inches square, and the flywheel is 8 inches in diameter. Upon unpacking it, it appeared as though this was set up to run on natural gas. So we're going to try it. I have it hooked to natural gas. It's kind of difficult to do and take a video at the same time, but we'll see what happens. See if I can get a picture here. A little difficult to do. Okay. See if I can show you the flame. I think this is probably a homemade unit, although it's well made and built like a tank. Weighs about 35 pounds. It also has a water pump, as you can see here. So we'll see if any of this works. Give it a little time to heat up. And I guess we need to give it a little more time. Maybe turn our flame up a little. If this works, I'll have to try to find a way to convert it to propane. A little harder to run it where you want to run it when it has to be connected to natural gas, so hopefully if everything works, I can convert this. Well, it looks like it's just about warmed up. And there we go. Looks like the pump works. So maybe a new paint job and get it converted to run on LP. And I think I'll be pretty happy with this purchase. I still wonder if it was made from maybe some illustrations from a magazine, or whether it's just completely scratch built from someone's own design. Looks like I could turn the burner down a little bit, but anyways, there it is. Amazed that it runs. I hadn't even oiled anything up yet. Hope you enjoyed my video.